Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I made these cake toppers within the past 2 or 3 hours. Yeah, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the method or the tricks I use to make cake toppers hard really fast. Like, you know, when you make a cake topper, you need it to firm up really fast, and usually most people like to make it days in advance, but sometimes I kind of forget, or like the days I forget, or the days I maybe like didn't realize, okay, I might need this, and I don't make it in advance. I have a way of making a gum paste that firms up within 30 minutes. It firms up really fast, and the cake topper can stand on its own. So look at these cake toppers that I made. Yeah, they're made out of fondant. I'm going to show you how to make that gum paste that is really firm and like firms up really fast. Okay, so let's get started. Yeah, so you're going to be needing some fondant. See how firm this is. Yeah, and this was in less than 3 hours actually. Okay, so look at this fondant that we have. So what you want to do is take a piece of fondant, and in this case you're going to be using 200 grams of fondant. Yeah, so 200 grams of fondant, you want to take it and knead it really well. You don't want it to be sticky, so you don't want it to knead it with vegetable shortening, because that way it will become more sticky and like more, you want it to be firm as possible. So you want to make sure you knead it with just cornstarch or some powdered sugar. Okay, so you want to knead it really well and make it as pliable as possible. So once you are done with that, you want to add some TYLOSE powder. TYLOSE powder is also called CMC, depending on what part of the world you live in. I live in Ukraine, so it is called SMS. And that's because Ukrainians do not have a C, they have an S in the alphabet. So in this part of the world, it is called SMS. In where you live, it might be called TYLOSE powder or CMC. I don't know. But in Ukraine, it is called SMS because C is S and S is C, if that makes sense. Okay, so once you are done, you want to take some TYLOSE powder or CMC. Yes, they write CMC only, but they call it SMS. It's very funny. Anyways, so to that, we are going to be adding 3 teaspoons of to 200 grams of fondant. We're going to be adding 3 teaspoons of SMS. Yeah, so the SMS, you want to make sure the teaspoons are leveled. Don't take a teaspoon right now. You want to level the teaspoon and apply it, and you're not going to use it all at once. Yeah, you're going to use 1 teaspoon at a time, knead it into the fondant, and then do it again. Okay, so now we're going to take a level teaspoon, and then we are going to apply it, put it in our fondant. We're going to make a well basically in the middle of our fondant so it doesn't pour out. That's what I like to do. See how firm this is. Yeah, that's what we are trying to do right now. We want it to be really firm and really fast. That's we're using like this much. Yeah, okay, so you want to take 1 teaspoon and you want to put it in the middle of your fondant, like you want to make it well in the middle of your fondant, and then you will knead it together. So that's what we're doing right now. And if you want to know where to get CMC from, or TYLOSE powder, or SMS, whatever it is you call it, I'm going to leave links for you in the description box for you to buy some of my favorite tools. I have some favorite tools I use in my cake decoration that makes my life easier as a self-taught cake decorator. So I'm going to put the link in the description box for you guys to check out below. And at the same time, I'm going to put the link for you to, you know, buy this CMC or TYLOSE powder if you'd like to buy it, and it is very cheap and nice. Okay, and the brand I buy also. Okay, so knead it as much as you can, and then now that we've kneaded in 1 teaspoon, we're going to apply the 2nd teaspoon in the middle, just like we did the first one, and we're going to knead. Yeah, sorry. I'm such a clown. I didn't knead the first one in very well, so I'm kneading the second one. Plus I cut some part of this video so it won't be extremely long, so it will be like, you know, not too long for you guys. Anyway, so you just want to make sure you knead in all 3 teaspoons of TYLOSE powder into your fondant, and then you're going to have this really pliable, nice, stiff fondant. But the thing is, you have to use it really fast because it firms up really fast. So you have to make sure whatever it is you're forming really fast. Okay, so guys, if you try these out, please let me know and tell me what the results are. Please give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my future videos. Bye.